This 2023 Forest River Sabre 350BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Cleburne, Texas, 76031 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Cleburne. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River and features a MIMOSA maple interior, sleeps 6, slide-out. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, outdoor kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.